Good morning, students. Our today's lesson is Water in the Whale. Lesson number 26. It is now. Ah, I sold the whale all right, but not the water in the whale. Ahmed said that I sold the whale only. It is correct, but not the water from in the whale. Means he told that I sold only whale but not the water in the whale. Then only whale belongs to you and water belongs to me. The water still belongs to me. You can't use it. You that you can't use the water because that water belongs to me now also. If you needed the water along with the whale, you should have said so. I must say that if you needed the water along with the whale, you should have said so. You not said this at the time when I sold you whale. I have a suggestion for you. Pay for a water separately and you use it. I must say that you have to pay or you have to give extra money for the more water for that water, and then you can use that water. You can buy fresh water every day. I don't mind. After paying extra money, you can use the water and every day you will get the fresh water. Then I don't mind. I will not say anything to you. These lines shows us that Ahmed was very cunning person or very crafty person, greedy, selfish. Qasim was shocked to hear Ahmed's arguments. It was so unfair, so unjust. After listening to Ahmed, Qasim was shocked because he is doing unnecessary or unfair arguments. This is wrong because he bite the whale, and it means that the water in the whale is also now belongs to Qasim. But Ahmed is not agreeing for that. It was so unfair and so unjust, he said to himself that. And then he rushed to the Qazi and told him the whole story. Qazi means the person who is a lawyer or he is deciding or listening some the problems of both sides and then give justice who is correct. The Qazi was a wise man. He was wise or clever man. He told Qasim to bring Ahmad to his court so that he could hear both sides of the case. After listening Qasim's words, Qazi told him to bring Ahmad also in his court, and after that he told that he will also listen the what is Ahmad also saying. Then the he will listen the sides both sides, and then he will decide proper justice. Ahmad was summoned to the court. Summoned means notice. Ahmad got a notice from the court. The Qazi heard his argument patiently. The Qazi heard his arguments, what Ahmad said, that Qazi listened carefully and silently. Huh, I see that you are right. What you have sold is the way. The water is all yours. Isn't that so? Qazi said to Ahmad that it's all right. You are saying that you sold only well and not water, and because of that, all water is yours. Is this correct? Qasim's heart sank when he heard the Qazi's words. After Kasim heard the Qazi's word, his heart sank. Means he feels sad. At that time, he feel that at this time Qazi is taking side of Ahmad. Ahmad in his heart of heart was overjoyed. At this time, Qazi overjoyed means Ahmed became very happy in his mind because he also feels that Kaji is on my side, and Kaji also think that whatever words of the Ahmed that all right or correct. He had never thought the Kaji would side with him, and Ahmad never thought that the Kaji would side with him. But after listening or after heard the Kaji's word, he became very happy in his own mind. My lord, I am so grateful you understand the fine points of this case. The water does indeed belongs to me. Ahmad said that, my lord, I am so grateful because why? You understand the fine points, correct fine points of this case. And then the water does indeed belongs to me. Means I sold the well only, but water is belongs to me. In that case, Ahmad, why are you keeping it in Qasim's well? Who said this? Kaji said this. In that case, Ahmad, why are you keeping it? Means why are you keeping your water in Qasim's well? Because now well belongs to Qasim. And why are you keeping your water in his well? You have no right to keep your belongings in his property because what well is now Qasim's property, and it is you have no right to keep your property or your belongings in others' property. You must remove them immediately. Means quickly. You must remove your all the things. Remove your water from the well quickly, or else you can pay a daily rent to Qasim. If you are keeping the water in his well, for that you have to pay daily rent for keeping the water in his well. Then he will allow you to use his well. And if you are ready to pay daily rent to Qasim, then he will allow you to use his well to keep your water in his well. Then he also don't mind. Ahmed was so confused that he did not know what to say. All the people present in the court began to laugh. Now is this time. At this time, Ahmed shocked. He was so confused that what he did not know about to say because he had no word to say in front of the Qazi. And because of that, all the people present in the court began to laugh at the Ahmad. But Qasim was a generous man. He never troubled Ahmad for the rent that was due from him. Qasim was a generous, means he was a good person, kind person, and he never troubled. He never told anything to Ahmad for the rent. He not demanded rent for that was due from him. In this way, Qasim got a justice and Ahmad got a good lesson that any person or he must not be greedy or must not give trouble to other persons in his life anymore. In this way, I think you also learn something from this lesson. What you learn? You must be kind, generous, and you must not be greedy with anyone. Our lesson is finished.